In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gann Box in TradingView. We'll start right on a TradingView chart. Open a chart for the market you want to analyze and make sure it's the symbol and time frame you care about. The Gann Box is most useful when you already have a clear swing high and swing low in mind. So take a second to zoom and pan until that structure is visible. Look to the left toolbar on your screen. That's where all drawing tools live. Find the section labeled Gann and Fibonacci tools. Click to expand it and then choose Gann Box from the list. Your cursor will change, indicating you're ready to place the tool. Move your cursor over the chart area. To plot the Gann Box, click once at your starting point, typically a significant swing low or high, then drag to the opposite swing. Release to place it. If your first placement isn't perfect, don't worry, you can refine it. Hover over the edges or corners of the box to reveal handles, then drag to adjust the price and time range until the box frames the move you want to study. This step is important because the proportions of the Gann Box guide how the internal grid aligns with price and time. When the box is selected, you'll see quick options nearby. Click the settings gear to open the full panel. Scroll through the options to see what's available. In the style section, you can toggle the background on and off and adjust its transparency. Slide the opacity control up or down to make the grid more or less prominent so it doesn't overwhelm your candles. Switch to the Coordinates tab if you want precise control. Here you can type exact price and time values for the anchor points. This is useful when you're matching a particular candle's high or low. Small adjustments here can meaningfully change how the internal ratios line up, so use it when accuracy matters. Next, open the Visibility tab. Choose the timeframes where you want the Gann Box to appear. For example, if you draw it on the 4-hour chart but don't want it cluttering your 5-minute view, uncheck the lower timeframes. This keeps your layouts clean and purposeful. When you finish customizing, click OK to apply your settings. You can always reopen the settings to refine the looker anchors as your analysis evolves. That's all there is to placing, adjusting, and configuring a Gann Box in TradingView. Take your time with placement, use the background and visibility to keep your chart readable, and let the box help you visualize how price interacts with time.